year, the Gawad America Awards honors a man whose heart for service shines through every story he tells.
Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, ibibigay ko lahat. Iaalay ko po lahat para sa inyo.
Samuel Salonga Versosa Jr., known to many as SV, is more than a host. He is a bridge of hope for Filipinos whose voices deserve to be heard.
Kaya naman, naging advocacy ako po talaga na tulungan ang mga batang ito sa pakikipag-partner ko sa iba't ibang organisasyon, lalo na tuwing sumasali ako sa mga marathon sa buong mundo. Ito na yung 10 branch ng Show Maynila!
Hindi ko po talaga ina-expect na totoorin niyo po talaga yung sinabi niyo na bibigyan niyo po ako ng isa pang card.
Through Dear SV, Sam has redefined what it means to be a public service host. His program goes beyond storytelling. It changes lives. Each episode reflects empathy, action, and a sincere commitment to help those in need. With every heartfelt conversation, Sam brings light to real issues, turning awareness into action and compassion into tangible change.
Pili na kayo ng Show Maynila Franchise Business! Pili na kayo isa-isa! Ito, dagdag lang paninda, dagdag pagkakakitaan. May kasama pang grocery yan, ha, para sa pamilya mo. Gagabayan ka namin kung paano magbenta, paano mag-supply, paano palaguin itong negosyo mong to, ha?
His dedication to uplifting others has made Dear SV a platform of hope and inspiration for millions. For using his voice to serve, his platform to empower, and his heart to uplift the Filipino people, the 2025 Dear SV Best Public Service Host Award is proudly presented to Samuel Salonga Versosa Jr. Congratulations, Sam Versosa, a true storyteller of service and a champion of the Filipino heart.
Bakit mo ginagawa ang ginagawa mo?
Dito po ako dinala ng tadhana, Tito Boy. Sabi ko, pag nalagay ako sa posisyon na pwede akong tumulong o bumago ng buhay, hindi ako magdadalawang isip.